Hello everyone. In today's review, I will talk about a very promising project, Aleo. This is a blockchain where developers are able to create truly private applications. Only devs will determine what info users will share. This is significantly different from what exists in Web 2.0. And how did this happen? Thanks to zero disclosure. Zero-knowledge proof is a cryptographic protocol where one party proves to another that the data is correct but does not disclose their values. For instance, this guarantees that when you input a password, the entire application only perceives it as being accurate, and the password stays secret. By utilizing zero-knowledge cryptography, Aleo has the potential to assist in restoring power to users instead of transferring it to corporations. This is more than just owning your data. This is the recovery and redefinition of your digital identity so that it is only you. You could type whatever you want to share and with whom. Unlike other blockchains, such as Ethereum, Aleo transactions are processed in a month and only verified by network nodes. This enables the platform to support a higher volume of transactions and provides developers with the capability to create decentralized applications that can solve complex use cases currently requiring centralized servers. The aim of Aleo is to build a decentralized open source network that will provide reliable support for creating, deploying, and running private applications. Developers believe that the open decentralized nature provides a much stronger incentive for participation. Aleo is the primary programming language based on Rust with static typing created for writing private applications. It is intended for developers who are ready to create applications on the Aleo blockchain, providing the foundation for a private decentralized ecosystem. This is the initial known programming language that offers a testing environment, package registry, import converter, remote compiler, and theorem generator for applications that require zero disclosure of sensitive information. Since mainnet launch, Aleo tokens assigned to miners for each mined block in the network will be allocated. To reduce token inflation, as token mining increases, the reward for them will decrease. Token supply released linearly. Higher inflation at start decreases circulation by half in first 10 years of team and project. Total supply released gradually with decreasing inflation over time. And after the year 2009, the final halving will result in the issuance of 12.5 tokens to Aleo miners per block, which will ensure the security of the network as well as the stability of the economy it will support. From what can we conclude that this distribution structure guarantees that miners will consistently receive their income? The token will have a low predictable inflationary pressure because the goal is to make the token not just an asset that can be stored, but to motivate its use in various applications and for interaction with the ecosystem. 57% Aleo tokens held by investors, 20% by team, 15% by community, 8% for grants, 20% community, 8% grant. This is a strange distribution, but it is done to reduce the pressure on the token during launch. Usually, the team and early investors have their funds locked up for several months. After 5 years, the token will achieve true decentralization, as the majority of tokens will be owned by the community. And it is up to him to decide how much demand there will be for Aleo products. The tokenomics of Aleo is designed in such a way as to easily align incentives for all stakeholders. In Aleo, there is no such concept as gas as the number of tokens required to run a specific program. It is pre-calculated how it differs from the same Ethereum, where gas can be unpredictably costly. In Aleo, everyone knows in advance the number of tokens required to launch the program. It's very convenient. Ensuring the confidentiality of our data is becoming increasingly challenging, and in some instances, it is simply not achievable. Whether it is the provision of services, the exchange for your personal data, or the transfer of information to services that request it, the user is forced to disclose their data for a particular service, being aware of and accepting the risk. At the same time, the party to whom this data was transmitted bears its own risks in its storage and processing. To avoid this problem, Aleo was created. The technologies and tools created by the project developers not only protect users' personal data, but also simplify the development of applications with zero disclosures. This is truly a revolutionary project, and we will be interested to observe its progress.